Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can become a mermaid in Dress to Impress on Roblox. Whoops. So to do that, you're just going to select the DTI codes, which is here, and you're going to type in this code mermaid, and you're going to select the checkmark button, and you can unlock these, and now you can become a mermaid in the Dress to Impress. So this is the Dress to Impress codes, and there are also a lot of other codes that you can put in, but that's pretty much how you can become a mermaid in this game. So that is it. Just type in the mermaid here on the DTI codes. You can do it while you're playing, or if it's on intermission. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!